If you are wondering how these cute little muffins got to be chasing Marshall, well, this is how. Started with an old ALDI bag, okay? We're gonna make a vest today. And since I absolutely never return these things with the intention to reuse them, I'm going to reuse them in a different way today. This way we're gonna recycle, and so all you green people, get off my back, I'm doing my best. So we're gonna just cut the sides here. This is gonna be the beginning of how we get our arms in. Both those things are out. And we're gonna just open it up and get our arm through there, stretch it right on out. Now, if you are wondering why I was using those little baby scissors, because there's 6 people in this house and who knows where my good scissors are, they're gone. So we're gonna stretch it out, flatten it out, smooth it real good, make it nice and smooth. And then we are going to actually cut a little triangle here to make it a little more wide for their arms so we can have a little more movement. So you make a triangle, cut, and kind of make another triangle here and cut again. And we're gonna do that on both sides, as you can see. So again, make a small triangle, and then once you flip it over, you're gonna cut the 2 sides of the triangle. You're gonna make an additional triangle and just cut the base of that triangle. Now we should have 2 even sides for the arms. Okay, of course you can't be great by yourself. There goes Elijah. Now we're gonna get to this neck, okay? But he has to be put down first. KK, love you, bye. All right, now back to this neck hole. So we're just gonna cut a half circle around. Not too big, we're dealing with little necks here. And then once you have that, you have the full opening. We're gonna make a little V, small triangle, and then after we do that, we're just gonna cut straight down. So that's the opening of your vest. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. But we can't have this ALDI brand. Oh wait, forgot the handles, clip. But we're gonna flip this in, so all the painting and everything will not have to be done over branding. That will now be the inside of our vest as we just kind of do a little flip-see right here. Perf. Open it up, and there we have it. Now on to painting. This is fun. It was messy. Of course, I cut all the clips out and make this look like it was such an easy process, but it wasn't. There was paint everywhere. Even though you can see this sheet under everybody, yeah, paint went right through the sheet. But that's just how it is. Whatever, it's how it goes. But I will give the kids applause because they did a really good job of painting. Elijah was real happy. He wanted to keep putting his own paint. And as you can see, that turned a little crazy. He got upset. But you know, eventually he's gonna get over it because I'm gonna hand him a big paintbrush and he's gonna just go for it. He's gonna do his thing. Elijah was attempting to be civilized, which I'm really grateful for. So that was fun. We're going to hang it. They flip to the back side eventually and paint both sides so we get that smooth coloring on the front and the back because we just don't want the front looking good. Here we go, halfway. Got some Chick-fil-A as they dried, which was great. Now we're back putting the pieces on. So now I cut the pieces, made the belt. You can see a couple of different colors going on here because we wanted to give a real fire marshal type of feel, okay? We really wanted to look like fire department here. We made the belt and we allowed Elijah to sit and pat everything down so he feels like he was still being involved. He was really excited about that. Maybe too excited. There you go. Alrighty, then moving on to their Chase, if he ever gets there. There we are. In Chase, we have him putting on his walkie-talkie he's attaching. He is using just some regular Elmer's glue, y'all. Don't put the glue sticks down. Always keep a couple glue sticks. You just always will need them forever and always. So always have extra because the way these kids use glue sticks, it's not the right way. So they go down really, really quickly. But we continue on. We're gonna put our walkie-talkie on. A little help and assistance here, but eventually we got it straight. He's gonna get that pad on, and then here we go. We are in there, ready to go. Super
oh no,
excited.
Chase and Marshall. There's a fire at the chicken coop.
Steps up to the plate. They're 0 for 1 today. 1 on, no 1 out.
Fire Marshall, fire Marshall. Yeah,
Strike 1.
The count is 2 and 1.
Oh no, there's the fire! Fire! What are we gonna do? Wait, we need a fire. Get the water hose! Go on it. Elijah, you save the chickens! Save the chickens, Elijah! Save the chickens! Put the water out, put it out! Yo, you gotta get them! Uh-oh, do you help?
Strike 3, you're out.
Okay,
Z
I
strikes
got your
out
back.
swinging.
Go.
Chicola pitching. R remains at first.
Spray out the fire.
G steps up to the
Bring on the
plate.
fire.
They're
Oh.
0 for 0 today. 1 on, 1 out.
Oh, the water's on. Why is the water? Turn it off.
Count is 1 and
Wait,
1.
the water's not supposed to be on. My coat. The water's been on the whole time. Yeah, just turn it off. Did you get the fire out? Get the fire out. Get the fire out.
The count is 1 and 1.
You get the fire out. Did you save the chickens? Elijah, save the chickens. Are they safe? Oh, no, save us. Save us. We're so scared. We're so scared. I know. Save the chickens. Hello, chickens.
G pops out to right fielder White. R remains at first.
Jason Marshall on the case. Was the fire out? The fire's out. Okay. Uh-oh. I'll help you. Hold on before you get Cooper.
R steps up to the plate. They're 0 for 1 today. 1 on,
Okay, I
2
fixed you.
out.
There we go.
Strike one.
The count is 0 and 1.
Oh, Elijah, did you save the day? Elijah.
Wow. R advances to third on last play.
You got him. Okay, you satisfied now.